Hello everyone. So today we have a new problem which name is missing number. Lead code 268 problem. So let's read the problem statement. So given an array of nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n. So we have to return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. Okay. So we have given an array and we have to find the number from 0 to n range. Okay. We have given a 0 to n range. So we have given a number also. We have given a number here n equals to 3. You can see because the highest number is going from 0 to n, so n equals to 3. So our array can be 0 1 2 3, but 2 is missing here, so 2 will be our answer. Let's take an example 2. So here n equals to 2, so the array should be 0 1 2, but 2 is missing here, so 2 will be our answer. So here as you can see n is 9, so our array will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. But as you can see here, all numbers are present but except 8. 8 is not present here, so 8 will be your answer. So this is a simple problem, but understanding purpose it is very hard. Okay, so because see, it is asked by many companies, okay, just because of bit manipulation technique, okay, because that is the optimization that means बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं उसको ऑप्टिमाइजेशन 90% पीपल नहीं जानते ऑप्टिमाइजेशन को ठीक है so let's see the approach for this okay as you can see here 301 is a array okay and here as you can see n equals to 3 so our array should be 0 1 2 3 but 2 is present 2 is not present here so 2 will be our answer as same as this example as same as this example okay so let's go on the approach part for this so the first brute force solution that comes in our mind is using two loops then it can be big of n square because if you use if like this is the example that in that what I will do I will apply a loop from 0 to n and I will check each element if 0 is present here or not I will traverse the whole array and check if 0 is present yeah 0 is present now I will check for 1 if I will traverse the array I will check if 1 is present or not like this so I will check all the elements and if the element is not found in the array that will be your answer so it is the brute force solution and also it will be very time consuming solution. It will take big of n square time. So we have to optimize that solution. So for the optimization, what we will do is we will find the sum actually because we have given this कि नंबर 0 से n तक होने चाहिए ठीक है एक एरे में नंबर कितने 0 से n तक होने चाहिए so what we will do is we will find the summation of n numbers okay so summation of n numbers क्या होता है n into n plus 1 by 2 it is a very basic maths okay so here n equals to 9 as you can see we are taking this example here you know n equals to 9 so summation of 9 elements will be 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2 that is 9 into 10 by 2 which is 45. Now what I will do, I will single traverse the array and I will decrease, I will subtract the each element. Each element means each number. Like as you can see here, this is a total sum 45 minus this is the sum of the array which is given to us like which is given to us means this array okay this array is given to us so the sum if I found the sum it will be 37 like 37 so we know the sum of n numbers which is 45 here and we know the sum of the full array which is 37 and if we subtract these two 41 minus 37 this will be 8 so 8 will be our final answer because 8 is missing element in this array so this can be our better approach and actually most optimal approach we can say but in interviewer can ask another approach for this then he's asking a bit manipulation approach so let's see the bit manipulation approach that can be a most better approach for this advanced approach for this because it is a good approach because it is taking big of n time but if you use the bit manipulation approach that will also be a better approach so let's see the bit manipulation approach using XOR operator okay so if you don't know about the XOR property here is the XOR property If same element, if you do the XOR of same elements, it will give you 0. Like if a equals to 1, b equals to 1, it will give you 0. If a equals to 0, b equals to 0, it will give you 0. If you do the XOR with a different element 0 1 1 0, it will give you 1. So this is the property of XOR. So here are some properties also. If it is a commutative property, okay, a XOR b equals to b XOR a, it is like a sum. A XOR b equals to b XOR a. If you do the XOR a XOR b XOR b c XOR d, it can be written as a XOR d XOR c XOR b also, okay. And a XOR 0 equals to a, अगर तुम 0 के साथ a XOR कराओगे तो वही नंबर आ जाएगा, और a XOR a कराओगे that will give you 0, because I told you about this. If you do the XOR with same numbers, if it will give you 0, and if you do the XOR with a different number, it will give you 1. So that is the XOR property. So let's take an example. If this is the array that is given to us 2 3 5 0 1, and here as you can see n equals to 5, so our array should be 0 1 2 3 4 5. This should be our array, but this is the given array to us. So what we will do is, this is the array that is that should be okay, 0 XOR 1 XOR 2 XOR 3 XOR 4 XOR 5. This should be 0 to n, okay. And the array that is given to us is 0 2 XOR 3 XOR 5 XOR 0 XOR 1, this array. Now what we will do is, we will XOR these two, we will XOR these two elements actually, we will XOR these two arrays. So after XORing, what we will get is, we will find the same number of elements. Same elements will, if you do the XOR with 0 XOR 0, this will give you 0. 1 XOR 1, this will give you 0. 2 XOR 2 XOR 2, this will give you 0. 3 XOR 3, this will give you 0. Here 4 XOR, here 4 is not present, 4 XOR 0, that will give you 4. At 5 XOR 5, that will give you 0, because same, and if you do the XOR with same elements, that will give you 0. If you do the XOR with different element, that will give you 1, okay. If you do the XOR with 5 XOR 5, like, that will give you 0. But here 4 is not present, here 4 is present. So after finalize all the things, that our answer will be 4 or 0, that will be 4. So this will be our final answer. Finally we will get 0. So this is the XOR operator. So now let's do the code for this so that we can understand properly. So I will do the code using XOR, okay. You can see that approach also by single traversal approach. So but I'll use XOR because that is the most optimal approach. So for this, what we will do is, yeah, I will create a number all XOR, मीन्स इनिशियली और जो जीरो है, मैं सबका जोर करता जाऊंगा। ये एज यू कैन सी, मैंने क्या किया है, जीरो से एन वाले नंबर लिए मैंने, जो होने चाहिए थे एलिमेंट में पर थे नहीं, ठीक है। तो मैंने जीरो से एन वाले एलिमेंट्स का सारा जोर कराया, फिर उनका जोर किसके साथ करा दिया, जो मेरे एरे के एलिमेंट्स एक्चुअल थे उनका जोर करा दिया, और फाइनली मेरे को आंसर क्या मिल गया, 4, जो कि मेरा डिवाइड आंसर था, ठीक है। सो ऑल जोर नाम का एरे बना दिया। नाउ मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं एक लूप चलाऊंगा, फॉर इंट I equals to 0 to I less than equals to nums dot size, then I plus plus. Now what I will do is, I'll XOR or each element, all XOR equals to, इसको कॉपी कर लेते हैं, all XOR XOR I. So मैंने क्या करा है, मैं लिख देता हूँ कमेंट में। So XOR all numbers in the range of 0 to n, जो कि 0 से n के सारे नंबर थे ना, उनको मैंने जोर करा दिया, ऑल जोर इक्वल टू ऑल जोर जोर आई, ठीक है। नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू इज, आई जोर ऑल नंबर्स ऑफ that are present in array, that are present in array, that is given to us, okay। So for auto number, एक्चुअली इसको रेफरेंस में ले लेते हैं, वैसे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, नंबर बिलोंग्स टू नम्स एरे। नाउ सेम, all XOR equals to all XOR XOR, दो नंबर है। नाउ व्हाट आई हैव डन इज, यहाँ तो मैंने क्या किया, 0 से n तक के सारे नंबर से उनका जोड़ करा दिया, उनका भी जोड़ अब मेरे को क्या कराना है, यहाँ तक मैंने कर दिया। फिर इस इनका भी जोड़ क्या किसके साथ कराना है, इन जो एरे के एलिमेंट्स हैं डेटा गिवन टू अस, सो उनके साथ कराना है। सो एक लूप चलाया, ऑल जोर इक्वल टू ऑल जोर जोर नम, एंड फाइनली what we will return is return all job. Okay, this will be your answer. So let's run this and see if this will work or not. As you can see, it is working perfect. Let's submit this code. Yeah, it is working perfect. As you can see, it is taking 10 millisecond time and beats 88.91% of C++ users. So that is a quite a bit good solution. Actually, you can see, if you submit this again and again, it will be 100% also, because it depends on server. Yeah. So this was the complete code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. As you can see, we have discussed the three approaches. Firstly, we discussed about the brute force approach. Then we discuss about the first optimal approach. That is good. Okay, it will take big of and time, but in that approach, what we have to do is we have to find the summation of in numbers. Then we have to subtract that. Uh, we have to subtract the all elements from that summation. Then finally we will get our answer. Okay, but about most optimal approach is this approach, bit manipulation approach, or we can say XOR operator, using XOR operator approach. So this was the XOR operator approach. हमें करना क्या है, 0 से n के एलिमेंट्स का जोड़ कराना है, और उनका जोड़ जो भी एलिमेंट्स दे रखे हैं अपने पास, ये एरे में एलिमेंट्स दे रखे हैं, उनका भी उनके साथ जोड़ करा देना है। और फाइनली जो मेरे को नंबर मिलेगा, एक ही नंबर मिलेगा जो कि मिसिंग नंबर है, वो मेरा आंसर हो जाएगा। XOR प्रॉपर्टी, for this question you should know about XOR property. So that's why you can see it is a good solution, and it is asked by many companies because of the this XOR property, bit manipulation approach, because of the optimization. That's why it is asked by many companies. So this was the complete code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye.